Hello and welcome everyone. I'm your course instructor Deepa, and today we start with module 1 of our course TV advertising sales in a multiple platform world. The module is about media environment analysis, where we build the foundation for the entire course. Today television, as we all know, is no longer just about television. It's a part of a much larger, fast evolving ecosystem which includes linear TV, connected TV, digital and OTT. For anyone working in media sales, understanding how this world fits together and how data guides decisions is really essential. This is exactly what we will do in this module. By the end of the module, you will understand how the television advertising works, how the ecosystem works, who the key players are, how to interpret important media metrics like rating, reach, and frequency, and most importantly, you will learn how to use this knowledge in real sales and campaign situations at your workplace. It's a very practical, hands-on course. You won't just learn concepts, but you will apply them. Through real examples, simple data exercises, discussions, and collaborative activities, you will start connecting learning directly to your professional world. Before you join the live session, I recommend that you take out some time and go through the assigned videos and readings. Think about your own experience in media or sales and come prepared to participate actively. The more you engage, the more valuable the learning will be. In this journey, I will be here to guide you, support you, and coach you. All this is my practical hands-on experience of advertising sales of 37 years. I look forward to learning and unlearning with you and supporting your growth as you build confidence and professional capability. See you in the live session. Let's get started. All the very best. See you guys soon. Thank you.